देखना आ रही हूँ क्या, लाइव आ रही हूँ। So, guys, today's topic, which I am in Mukteshwar, Nakul. I think you should also visit. There's a lot of places where you can roam, as well as there are a lot of places where you can capture good images, like your photo shoots. So, yes, something amazing you'll get to know for posting. Guys, am I audible to you? Or okay. So yeah, I'm audible. I'll show you something amazing which I'm doing here, where I'm staying, how I've traveled. So I was saying that how much was the struggle, how to reach here, and how I was, I would say, I mean, harassed to be here, because those people from Uttarakhand was not nice initially. They've sent us to 7 kilometers away, and hi Vikas, how are you? I think they're only staying for few more minutes to join. I'll just start by 12:10. It's 12:07 right now, so I'll just wait for 3 more minutes so that I can tell you what exactly we are here for. And there's one more person who will join me. As in, I have posted also one of my friends. She's traveling with me along with her husband, and that's her. Guys, I'm just waiting for your reply. Please tell me, am I audible, or shall we continue while talking? So this is the place. Just let's have a tour of the hotel. I'll show you my room tour also. Here you go. I mean, there's a beautiful gardens also outside the rooms and everything. So I'm hi Daman. I'm walking towards my room now. Till then my friend is getting ready. I'm just showing you what all the things in the property, and this is amazing property, I must say, guys. I mean, they have amazing services, and the food is also nice. We had, oh, this is a beautiful flower. Amazing. They have a different kind of flowers here, which I really like, because this will look good on the flask. Oh, they have the roses of yellow roses as well. Ouch. I really like actually nature beauty, and that too all greenery all together outside. So I'll show you the view also from my room, which is also amazing. Oh, some cute flowers, pink roses too. Yeah, Daman, आप wait कर लो. This is the room view. I mean, this is my room view, and this. Guys, are we connected again? I mean, as we are on a small. Live. Connected again now. So yeah, there was one person who asked me how we have traveled. We have traveled via our own car, but there was a lot of hassle, I must say. We had we have taken our what do you call COVID reports first of all. Then we arranged for the e-pass, which was given by our hotel people only. Which I mean, the person who have done the booking, who have arranged for the e-pass as well. But as we were not aware that those people has to submit their reports to the Uttarakhand government people, so that we should not get hassle. So basically, when we were about to enter in Uttarakhand, there was some police there, and they asked us that we have to go 7 kilometers back to one place, which was, somebody corrected me also, I actually forgot that place name. Some international stadium, Golapar shayad. So that person have corrected me as well for that name. Then after reaching to that place, we actually took 2 hours just to get that what do you call, that person have said that there will be a screening. After that we'll get a certificate, and then we'll gonna able to go to Uttarakhand, because we have to cross Nainital for reaching Mukteshwar. So for crossing Nainital in between, we have to take that pass from them. So we specially took our car back to that particular place, and those people, I mean, one person was asking for the name, then second person was asking for the name, then third person was asking for the name. Even though we declared thrice, we did not lose our patience. But yes, we have explained them that how we did, how we have traveled. Hi. So how we have traveled and how we have reached this place. They have asked again to us our COVID reports and e-pass, which we have submitted. After struggling for 2 hours, we got that certificate for, I think that will got as a fitness certificate before entering Nainital. So yes, we did that as well. After I would say 1.5 or 2 hours maybe. Yes. So after reaching here, we were actually thinking कि अब कब पहुँचेंगे. सुबह 5 बजे से उठे हुए हैं, अब तक पहुँच ही नहीं पा रहे हैं जहाँ जाना है. Because I got the reference for this particular place from one of my friend, and she said that this is an amazing property, you should go being a traveler. So yes, this property is altogether amazing, which I have showed you also how it is. And after reaching to this place, we actually felt that was worth spending the whole 12 hours. Thank you, Mama. So that was a worth spending 12.5 hours to be here. I did not even spoke to my parents that day because I was so tired, and we were shooting also in Indonesia. So yes, lot of things. I think I should stay here because some network issue when I go downstairs. So yes, after struggling for 12.5 hours, I reached here, and lot of stress. We had amazing party last night, but we were just thinking कि 12 कब बजेंगे और हमें सोना है क्योंकि हमारी नींद पूरी नहीं हुई थी. So yes, I hope you have seen my room and the area where I've traveled, or you want me to show it again? Thank you, Manu. Any question that you people want to ask me regarding anything? Guys, any question, or shall I invite my friend to join me now? She actually did my makeup, so she got late just because of that. Hi. Daman, I'll make your wish fulfill that my friend will come and say a hi to you, because I think you were asking that you want to say a hello to her. Guys, anything else that you are want? Okay. Yes, most importantly, yes, Manu rightly asked. I would say resort people. मैं आपको कल का एक story instance बताती हूँ. कल जब हम लोगों ने डिनर किया, we were having a party at my room only, and then we ordered for some snacks and everything. What happened is they actually brought the plates and everything. When we had our dinner, they were taking out our plates. They were having a disinfector in their hands. Before touching that plate, they were using disinfector, and that plate which they were taking off, they disinfected and then they took it. Before even entering, what they did is they sanitized our bag. Though we were COVID negative, but still for their own safety and precautions they did that. And after that, yes, if I'll talk about the room part, they disinfected our beds, our pillows, And apart from that, what all precautions the people are taking? They're using gloves, they are properly using their mask, they are what I'll say. Yes, Vikas, I am going again to my room. I'll show you how my friends have surprised me with all the balloons and cake in the midnight. And yes, these all precautions they did. And the food, my god, I have forgotten that I was on diet. I have never ate that much since 1 month that I was on diet, as you people know. Tanisha is still, we have a network issue now. Still we have a network issue kya? Top hill where I am right now. And guys, some network issue in my room because that's on the top hill, and I need to go out to have a live session. Thank you. I must recommend this. I had a blast. I really had a blast last night. मुझे लग रहा है मैं फूल गई हूँ फिर से. मेरे डाइटिंग की तो मेरे ट्रेनर ने मुझे मार देना है मुझे देख के. आई डोंट नो. मैं ना अब एक काम करती हूँ. मैं सो यस आजा.
1 second, मैं फोन लेकर.
Guys, just give me 2 more minutes. She is joining me, but उसको पता नहीं. चलती आ अभी हो गया. So guys, she is here now.
Hi.
बेचारी मेरे को तैयार करने के चक्कर में खुद लेट हो गई है, पर कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था इसके पास, नहीं तो मेरा लाइव सेशन लेट हो जाता. What? I think yes, Vikas, you should go to this place for at least 1 month for your work from home, which is more needed to everybody now. Everybody is
Hi.
bored with their life.
Everyone.
There was one person called Daman who said that, one second, I'll just show you that chat.
नीचे निकल गया शायद.
नहीं,
हाँ था.
initially he messaged that, one second, there are a lot of your people also have joined in.
I know.
Some Daman, I don't know. अपनी फ्रेंड को भी हेलो बोला प्लीज. तो हेलो.
Hello.
So Daman, I think your wish is fulfilled. Some Ashima Kakkad have sent me a request to join me live, but Ashima, shall we accept it?
We can.
Let me try this also.
मैं आपके पैसे भी लाइक जाऊँ. आपके पैसे भी लाइक जाऊँ.
Some person have sent me a request to come to live. That person have said again hello.
Hello.
So say hello to him.
Hello. Hello, Daman.
Sorry.
चलो वहाँ हुए ना अपना दिखा दिया.
हाँ मैं पूरा रूम टूर करके आई. हमने इनको सब बता दिया है क्या क्या ये लोग प्रिकॉशंस ले रहे हैं, क्या हम लोग स्ट्रगल करके आए हैं कल 2-2.5 घंटे. बट स्टिल दिस वाज वर्थ कमिंग हियर.
Seriously. I mean पहुंचने के बाद आपको लगता है कि
Somebody's
जितना
asking, she's your sister-in-law? No, not at all. She's my best friend.
sisters.
हाँ, sisters love, I would say.
And सब सिमरन को हैप्पी बर्थडे बोला. इसका बर्थडे आज.
Hello to Simran ji only. They both are Simran यार.
कौन सी वाली सिमरन?
कौन सी वाली सिमरन? बाई चांस हम दोनों के नाम भी सेम है. अब हम आपको एक बहुत ही सुंदर जगह पे वापस लेके जाते हैं. Say hello to your friend. भानु, तुझे मिलवा दूंगी.
Hi भानु.
Thank you, Ashima Kaur. I don't know you, but thank you for the wish. So, I'm back to the place where I've started. 1 second. तुमको ले लिया हमने, कैमरा घुमाया है. Thank you, Rajiv.
बैठ जाओ.
1 second. So we are chilling and having peace out here for so long, for giving a stress buster to my life, for giving a relax and peace to myself for this travel. And I think guys, you should also travel on your birthdays or some special occasions. And even I don't need any special occasion to travel. I can travel any moment, anywhere, anyhow. But yes, something is needed to your life more than a corona now. Bhanu, please, no more office talks, please, huh? This is my personal page, not official. कुछ पूछना है आप लोगों को या हम ये खत्म कर दें?
खत्म कर देते हैं. आपने सब बता दिया.
Say hi to Simran. Hi Simran. मनु बोल रही तुमको hi.
Hi मनु.
मनु तुझे कुछ पूछना था ना?
पूछो. मेकअप डिस्कशन भी कर लो.
हाँ, let's have travel बहुत हो गया. अभी थोड़ा सा
डिस्कशन करो.
थोड़ा सा
ये देखो
मेकअप
इसका
डिस्कशन
मेकअप.
करते हैं. हमने एक BTS तैयार किया है. हमने एक अच्छी सी रील बनाई है.
हाँ.
और हमने से एक बहुत सुंदर what do you call?
क्या?
एक वो हमने क्या बनाया था? IGTV.
IGTV.
हमने
कार
चैलेंज IGTV बनाया था. अरे मम्मी भी लाइव आई है.
मम्मी का है?
अनीता.
आंटी हेलो. कांग्रेचुलेशंस, आपको लड़की हुई है.
मैं बहुत पहले हो गई थी बहन.
अब दोबारा फिर उनको वो मेमोरी रिफ्रेश करने दो. चलो.
So she's actually crazy like me. She also talked something nonsense the way I do. So yes. मम्मी congratulations, आपको बेटी हुई है. चलो अभी मेकअप डिस्कशन थोड़ा सा शुरू करते हैं. इस लड़की ने मुझे तैयार किया है.
नहीं तो हम अब मेरे पेज से लाइव आएंगे, वहाँ पे ज्वाइन करो. चलो
अभी हम दूसरे पेज से लाइव आते हैं. @glamglow by Simran. I have tagged her in most of the pictures. You can go click that page, follow, and let's be live on that page. Bye guys. और अगर आपको कुछ और पूछना है मेरे से, कहीं पे भी अभी ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, तो मेरा बहुत सारा अपडेट अब मैंने ले लिया है. बहुत सारा
क्या क्या चाहिए होता है,
स्ट्रगल ले लिया,
कैसे करना है,
क्या क्या कैसे करना है. अब मैं कहीं पे भी कैसे भी जा सकती हूँ.
और
मुझे सब एक्सपीरियंस हो गया.
वन मोर थिंग विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि अगर आप उत्तराखंड ट्रेवल कर रहे हो तो मेक श्योर कि आप नैनीताल की एंट्री के लिए भी ई पास लेके आओ.
ई पास और सर्टिफिकेट.
हाँ,
जिसके लिए हमें 2 घंटे लगे हैं.
जिसके लिए हमें 2 घंटे लगे हैं, विच इज नॉनसेंस आई गेस, क्योंकि मेडिकल कुछ था ही नहीं.
They said that we have to go for some medical क्या screening,
हाँ,
some medical
medical
screening,
screening.
which was pathetic. We already took e-pass. We already had COVID negative report. Then why?
और वहाँ
आशिमा
जाके
मुझे बहुत प्रॉब्लम आई है.
और वहाँ जाके
मैंने
हमें एक पर्ची थमा दी.
हमने पहले एक वो RT-PCR टेस्ट कराया
हम्म.
तीनों ने.
हम्म.
देन उसके बाद हम लोगों ने व्हाट डू यू कॉल ई पास बनवाया.
हम्म.
होटल की बुकिंग जरूरी थी ई पास के लिए. देन वी डिड बुकिंग पहले से.
हम्म.
तो ये प्रॉपर्टी तो मेरे को किसी फ्रेंड ने मेरी रेफर करी थी, तो उसी के बेसिस पे वी डिड दिस बुकिंग. एंड देन these people were so amazing. They did for our e-pass as well. Then we did booking पहले से. And after that we had a struggle while traveling. एक तो उत्तराखंड में एंटर करने से पहले उन्होंने एक हमें स्लिप दिया. उस स्लिप के बेसिस पे उन्होंने बोला आप अब आगे कहीं पे भी जा सकते हो. For that we also took half an hour, but after that we were about to enter Nainital. They said we need to go back 7 kilometers to one particular place. That was a again मैं भूल गई यार. Golapar. Golapar State International Stadium, wherein the people were giving medical screening, which was senseless. They took 2 hours to give that certificate. I don't know why they took so much. And after that, hi Bhumika, how are you?
हेलो गुड्डू. हाय.
So yes, after getting that medical screening, we were here. But हमें ये ढूंढने में भी रिजॉर्ट बहुत टाइम लग गया.
अंतिम लिखा थैंक यू.
मम्मी थैंक यू पैदा करने के लिए. थैंक यू भूमिका, थैंक यू सो मच. ठीक है आशिमा एंड भूमिका एंड एवरीबडी who can see me live, they can see me live again on Glam Glow page. वहीं पे बात करते हैं, बट अभी मेकअप का बात करेंगे. बहुत हो गया ट्रैवलिंग. कुछ पूछना है तो यू कैन DM मी. थैंक यू.
बाय.